Hey there, it's Jacqueline here from We Go Solo. I'm just doing a little road trip up the coast from Melbourne to Sydney, and this is Lakes Entrance and this is Ocean Beach. OMG. How beautiful is this? How beautiful is this? And apparently right down the end, I'm not sure if you'd even be able to see it, but 90 Mile Beach is down there. But this is just across a footbridge from the Lakes Entrance. Okay, just thought I'd give you a little peek at that. And remember, if you're going off travelling, do come and say hi and join our free community at wegosolo.world. Till then, bye. Let's leave you with the ocean.